Hello everyone, I'm Liana with Music Academy International Inc. and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm continuing my series of Czerny Opus 599, and I'm gonna go right now section 2 that starts with number 11 all the way to number 18, right? All the way to number 18. And this section is called exercises for 5 fingers. You know, 5 fingers. We're gonna stay in the one position, C, D, E, F, G. And the next, the next 8 Czernys, the next 8 tutorials. And with the quiet hand. What it would be the quiet hand? Meaning, it's not quite quiet. It's meaning peaceful hand, like little, nice and, smooth. Let's put it this way, smooth, right? In this series, you will see that the left hand this time is going to do all kind of accompaniment patterns that we will talk one by one by one. We will approach this. So what I want to tell you, I did do another series of Czerny Opus 299. That's for the speed. I realized that most of you, whatever at this moment in time, you're not quite there for the speed. So this Czerny is a foundation, going through this entire book. That actually there are 100 Czernys. I'll try to do as many as I can. Maybe all, I am not sure. But anyhow, so this Opus 599 is the foundation to go for speed. And actually after this 599, it will go 847 and then 299, okay? So this Czerny, usually I'm starting with students that are kind of in good students that in favor and favor. My students would be level 3A or 3B, somewhere around there, in which they kind of know they do have a little bit of coordination, they do know about chords, they do know about scale, and they do know where they are. So it's time for some technique, songs, etudes, as it's called Czerny. On the second thought, I just want to tell you that for me, scales, Hanon and Czerny, again, scales, Hanon and Czerny, is the foundation of playing the piano. So if you're just doing scales and Hanon, that's fine. If you're doing Hanon and Czerny, that's fine. But all three together actually goes very well together. Again, you will have in my playlist, again, if you are more advanced, Czerny Opus 299 for virtuoso, that means for speed, and you have an entire first 20 exercises of Hanon on the playlist. Not only the patterns, I created there an ultimate drills series, how to practice that Hanon, because if you're not practicing right the patterns, first is boring, then it's not gonna go where it needs to go. So please check those into the into my playlist. And obviously, if you're new and you like this video, like subscribe and comment on it. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1, I'm changing the camera and let's go. Okay, so let's get started. I just switched the camera. So right now we are on Czerny number 14. And let's play it first slowly, both hands. I'm gonna repeat right now with a different fingering on the left hand. As you can see, left hand, it's right now it's 4-1-2-1. anyway, so my metronome was to around actually 60. So it's very slow. All right, so first of all, I just want to make sure, I'm just going to make this recommendation that you could, it's just a recommendation. So if you did number 13 and you did listen to the tutorial that I did on 13, please don't do this number 14 until you're not doing 15 and 16. Right, so please do 13 in this order, 15 and 16, and then approach number 14. So why is that? Because on the left hand you will have the Alberti bass, that is bottom top, middle top, bottom top. So this is called Alberti bass. So if you Alberti, if you never have it before, just don't do it yet. But if you did do it before, it's no problem. So you know what to do. The coordination will be there. So it will not interfere with number 13. So right now, number 14, first and fourth, you know, the right hand doesn't have anything over there, not too much, you know, this third, then up and down, and then the other third, and four, you know. So nothing over there, just, you know, C chord up and down. Right now, the entire challenge on this one is you to coordinate right hand with the left hand, and you know, so for doing that, if you never had the left hand on this, right, so again you can this Alberti bass is used in every classical sonata that you will encounter, or 90% of them. You'll have Alberti bass like this one. See what's happening here on the left hand. That actually you do have this tutorial in my playlist, Sonata Facile or Easy Sonata is on my playlist, the entire thing, you know, so describe in, you know, and there are a lot of others, but I just gave you a little example. So right now, again, you can practice 5, 1, 3, 1 here, or 4, 1, 2, 1. So it doesn't matter at this moment in time how you practicing. If you are not skilled, I would say 5, 1, 3, 1 to match the right hand, because the right hand has 1, 3, 5. But if you are skilled enough, you can do 5, 1, 4, 1, 2, 1, right? So right now, you just need to do this for a while. I don't know what means that while for you, because I don't know how skilled you are, how advanced you are. But I will do that until you are able to talk and do that, right? And play on the same time. So I will start doing 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and change back, right? So I will do this for a while, then 4 times only. Right now I'm gonna do it with 5, 1, 3, 1 in case that you choose to do 5, 1, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and change. 2, 3, 4, and change. 2, 3, 4, and change, right? When you are again easy right now, then you're gonna go 2 times. 1, 2, change. 1, 2, change. 1, 2, change. 1, 2, change, or this fingering, right? And then obviously, so first of all, you can go slower. And then 1 and 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. So depends of your skill. Obviously, go slowly first. 1, 1. this one, it's this one, and then it's this one. So learn this. That would be your exercise for, if you never did it, I would go at least 3 days or even a week on this, about 5 minutes a day, not more, but let the time work, you know, so when you add the right hand to be very easy. All right, if you did it before, it's no-brainer, or it is. Leave the comments and let me know what is your, you know, how was it? Is it easy? Is it hard? So I will know how in depth I will explain how to practice this. Right now, when you add the right hand, right now, it just gotta be obviously a lot of coordination. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. And I will do this. Or with the other fingering. And then faster and faster. As you could see in the Czerny 13, we have 8 notes and quarter notes on the left hand, 8 notes on the right hand, quarter notes on the left hand. Now we have in 8 notes on the left hand and quarter notes on the right hand. So again, it's your mind needs to work exactly opposite that you did it before. So it's 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, and then try to do measure number 3 and back 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1 and 3 left hand. So I will do this exercise again for a while, a day, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, until you really are easy on it, okay? And then practically the first 8 measures, they are, it's a combination of this or this, right? This is first chord, then it's this one, right? And sometimes you have E and G on the right hand, and C and E. This is your chord. And then the measure number 7, you have 1 note. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and then good. Measure number 9 is the same like before, and then the same like before, and then again same. Here next what is it, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's a little tricky, 13 and 14, because you constantly need to bounce the right hand and then the left hand. 1, up, left, down, up, down, stay up, and stay up, down, again. Down, or the left hand, this. Okay, so this would be your work. Now, if you wanna even go, so once you have it at least in this speed, so that what speed would be that? Probably same 60 something, right? 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and obviously don't forget to relax everything, especially your wrist, especially your fingers, everything. Don't do that. on the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Don't do. Right? All right, good. So once your even is relaxed, then if you really want to go a little tiny bit an extra step, then it would be nice if you can balance the hands and play right hand louder than the left hand. But that is it's a totally different subject that I will not go in this particular video. But if you are interested me to do that, I will do another video. So please leave your comments into the down below, into the and check all the other videos, and let's have fun. Just playing around right hand. Oops, I just moved my camera. Okay, don't. I get. So have fun. So please definitely like. You will make me, very happy if you like the, video, and subscribe, and obviously leave me comments so I will know how much you like it, or if you have questions, I will be happy to reply if I can. Good. So see you again in number 15 is the next.